Bigfoot here, Bigfoot video. So in today's video, I'm going to get this area blown out and try to get the dust down on the ground and the grime on the ground. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning inside that wall cavity behind that back floor joist. And then I'm going to start wiping down all of these HVAC ducts to get any residual dust that's stuck onto them. And that way they're real clean and I can start taping them up and start doing some of my duct work, duct repair, and getting them wrapped and everything like that. And then after that, I'll probably vacuum the room real good of any other dust and junk that I couldn't get out of here with a blower. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put some questions in the comment section, and then go check out some of the other content. Enjoy the next clip. Done cleaning up the room, cleaning up the HVAC, and so now I'm probably just going to do a couple little odd and end things. I found a wire that I just need to throw a little electrical tape on. The thermostat cable had gotten marred up at some point, so I want to throw some electrical tape on that, get some of these electrical cords moved out of the way so that I can reroute them later on the other side of some pillars and some posts I'm going to put in, and make it travel a little bit more efficient distance under the house and to get it out of the way. And then I'll probably come back in later, probably off camera, but I'll probably wipe down these HVACs with a dry cloth after everything dries, and then call that good. And then I'm going to start taping and buttoning up, cutting off these old vents, because I'm going to move them into a different spot, and actually plugging those back up. And then and then I'll replay it. Then I'll rerun my my takeoffs, I think is what they call those, where I have a chute that comes off of the main run. So other than that, that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comment section, and go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot.